So, he's created a dance that's taking over the streets. But who is Fever Boss? Richie gets the info.
Dancer, dance creator, and this jack out of New York, the one and only Fever Boss. How you start off in the whole industry right now?
You know, I started off from a tender age as a youth, you know, dancing. That was really my hobby, my talent. You know, as a dancer, you know, all the good songs where you like for hear, so that's how DJing get for develop, you know?
We know it's have a new dance right now, like two different new dances, right? Tell them about them right now.
Well, you know, we have the temperature and squeeze the and, you know, we have the hot box. From I put it out on the internet, it kind of went viral, so we just run with it. And, you know, now we're here and the whole world is doing it, from Japan to England to Europe to America, the whole Caribbean.
Basically, born in New York, right?
Yeah, Bronx, New York to be exact. Bronx is the birthplace of hip-hop. So, you know, we got the best of both worlds because my family is from Jamaica. I'm the first generation. Dancehall and hip-hop was like a plus for me because people could understand me with it. You get what I'm saying? And a lot of times when they get to see and experience like what's really coming out of Jamaica, that's where I stand out.
Now, was it hard for you to actually promote yourself and push yourself out there?
Me have some die-hearted people who really love me, a great fan base and great friend groups where them endorse me from the jump. Everybody in the Bronx run with Fever Boss, them love Fever Boss, them endorse the dance to the fullest and them genuinely like it and participate in it anyway.
How do you separate being a dancer and a disc jockey though?
Well, me not really separate them, you know, me use both. So it work out as a strength, as a big strength for me, because that what even helped to propel my DJ career further.
The dance move, squeeze, we see it in a drift, like we not see in a drift dance group or in the music video though. Like, how's the fan base or the feedback behind that right now? Like, you know, you see a dance in a big major music video in Jamaica right now.
Well, it has a lot of mixed reviews because a lot of people that know where the dance started from, they're proud of me and they're like, yo, Fever, oh my God, I'm so happy that I see everybody doing your move. But then you have some people who care about Fever Boss dearly and them I say, yo, Fever, I wonder if them steal it. I wonder if them might take your move and not give you the credit. So, you know, regardless of what, Fever Boss, me is the one who met the dance, and if you know, you know, and if you don't know, well, you find out now.
Mention being a disc jockey right now, so like, let me know about disc jocks I actually look up to, like overseas and locally.
Overseas, you know, you have Funk Master Flex, you know, in response for hip hop. So that's where I get my hip hop side from. And you know, in Jamaica, I have to big up Firelinks, because as a youth, I do the thing, and you know, one of the best and the greatest if you ever do it. And Boom Boom. You know, big ups to Boom Boom, because Boom Boom are the man for the streets and the way the people I'm loving them and connect with Boom Boom is something where I admire and I would like my fans and for, you know, have that same relationship with me, because it's the connection will make everything come back around.
So right now I want to know, how you plan for actually make a mark in Jamaica? You don't tell me say, oh, you think big in the Bronx already, is it? So right now in Jamaica, what you plan to make the moves, like make steps now?
I go to places where we need to be in the music videos. Still I make with content for the internet and just, you know, being jiggy and being vibey with the people and creating the new styles them, and still I show them, oh, forget the temperature, because some people still not catch it, you know. So we have to continue to teach them till them can do it.
Lastly, what makes Fever Boss intense?
When you hear the name Fever, that means so you have to check your temperature. And when you check the temperature and it say 120, you know say you know say you're hot. Fever Boss now, come forget the people them hot.
See you now people, one Fever Boss.